नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JBWU. Today topic is Introduction of Materia Medica, Part 1. The branch of medical science concerned with the study of drugs used in the treatment of disease includes pharmacology, clinical pharmacology, and the history and physical and chemical properties of drugs. The drugs used in the treatment of disease, a synonym for pharmacology. The term derives from the title of a work by the ancient Greek physician Pedanius Dioscorides in the first century after death of Christ. The term materia medica was used from the period of Roman Empire until the 20th century, but has now been generally replaced in medical education context by the term pharmacology. Ancient Egypt's time of the earliest known writing about medicine was a 110-page Egyptian papyrus. It was supposedly written by the god Thoth in about 16 before Christ. It contains a mixture of magic and medicine with invocations to banish disease and a catalogue of useful plants, minerals, magic amulets, and spells. The most famous Egyptian physician was Imhotep, who lived in Memphis around 2500 before Christ. Imhotep's materia medica consisted of procedure for treating head and torso injuries, tending of wounds, and prevention and curing of infections, as well as advanced principle of hygiene. Ancient India. In India, the Ayurveda is traditional medicine that emphasizes plant-based treatments, hygiene, and balance in the body state of being. Indian materia medica included knowledge of plants, where they grow in all season, methods for storage and shelf life of harvested materials. It also included direction for making juice from vegetables, dried powders from herbs, cold infusion and extracts. Ancient China. The earliest Chinese manual of materia medica, the Shinong Benake Jing, was compiled in the first century after death during the Han dynasty, attributed to the mythical Shennongs. It lists some 365 medicines, of which 252 are herbs. Succeeding generation augmented the Shinong Vinaka Jing as in the Yoxing Lun, a 7th century Tang dynasty treatise on herbal medicine. These are in this slide we discuss three ancient duration of medicines. First is Egypt. In this era, the Imhotep was famous physician and he written papyrus. In this era, contains magic and medicine and uses plants, mineral, magic, and the Indian time Ayurveda is the traditional medicine and include making juice from vegetable, dried powder, herb, cold infusion, and the China era they use also herbs for medicines. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.